So welcome guys to the first podcast of NMSL 2.0. We have Praveen Rajgopalan, Veda Kisara and Arush Dikshit. Okay, so starting off, guys, could you tell us a little bit something about the concept of NMSL?
Okay, so I would like to start the way it started. So back in during a summer internship, so Melvin was very persistent about we need to start something, and we came up with the idea of we can have a league wherein we can have 4 teams who play on weekends. But so that was the plan. We need 4 teams and probably we'll have a league or something. But later on, because of this guy around, so he gave a direction. He got a lot of people involved. He got the bags as well. So we had something which we didn't expect, a very big thing.
See, going ahead from what Veda said, I think all of us are really lucky we had time to do this. I'm sure you guys also will have the time to execute this. Okay, so it was something that started out of the blue, and it's something that worked. It's something that got people together, and I'm sure it's going to get bigger this year.
So since I never played football in college, and the best part about NMSL 1 and NMSL 2 is it actually involves a lot of people who don't play football. For example, me, Bhaskar, we knew people, all of them, they used to play football, but we never were involved in that because we didn't used to play football. So what NMSL 1 did actually was involve a lot of people who didn't play. Me, Bhaskar, Asta. But then that's how we got introduced to our football, you guys and everything. So I think that was the main thing. That even without playing football, all of us got involved into football, and it created a huge community now. They're like 150 people now are associated in that football community of NMS.
Talking about the same thing, could you tell us a little more about the interest of football at NMS that you saw generating, because of which NMSL 1 was a huge success?
See, I think in our batch, and I'll probably talk about our batch, we had around 30 to 40 people, around at least 40 to 50 people who used to play on a regular basis. And I think that obviously adds to the fact that it's easier to execute when you have people who are interested to play. Okay, and I'm sure given the fact that you have infinite number of WhatsApp groups on footy and God knows whatever happens on that, whether it's related or not, but I think it's a very good community. It gets us to connect with you guys and probably use you guys to connect with your juniors, and it works.
So football is arguably the most famous sport we have at NMIMS, though we win more in swimming and probably basketball. But yes, so football, we have a lot of groups, as you said. So my reason on a personal basis to connect with my seniors as well as my juniors has been football. There's been no other medium, so I guess football, yes, it's been the best part of NMIMS.
So we have a sports sec, a very prominent player and an owner amongst us. So ex-owner amongst us, so fine. So why don't you talk about the kind of issues that you might have faced as an owner, as a player, and as the sports sec conducting NMSL?
As an owner, I feel the issues there were no goals actually in our team. Okay, so as an owner, I think over here Bhaskar is not here, so I would just like to take his name. So when we were owners of that team, somewhere around November, December, I never thought that what I had to do as an owner. But Bhaskar was the person who took it to a different league altogether. So he was the first person who got a manager in place. He was the first person who created a website and a page and all. And that's what insinuated everything. Even I wanted to do that. And there was a different ball game altogether at my place. Me, Bhaskar, Palla. So every day we used to come back and used to count ki aaj mere 10 likes hai, mere 15 likes hai. So Bhaskar actually took it to a different level. Even though he was not at all involved in football, I at least watch football. He doesn't even watch football. But then we took it to a different level. So I think the problem which we faced initially was getting people onto the ground, which I think by and large I don't think so it will be a problem this year because a lot of people know about NMS. Other than that, I think it was pretty smooth and everything was well and good as a player.
Okay, as a player, so I was just interested in playing football, nothing else. It's 4 o'clock in the evening, we just go to Jamnabai and play football. But when NMSL started and when we had the options, so I could see a lot of players जिन पे ज़्यादा bid हो रहा है. So I wanted my team to be perfect. I wanted certain players to be there. And then we had so nothing against the shooters, but we had the most shittiest team dog ever. So a lot of things which I didn't expect to be there. But yes, there was so if I may say, a different experience wherein a lot of people who don't know football want to get involved, and they give you instructions. Okay, this is how you need to do, and you just, you want to win for them. Because they are your owners, or probably the other team players. They want to be they want you to play good, they want you to win. So I think apart from just playing, the winning direction came through NMC.
Yeah, I think there's lots to talk about, given the fact that we'd actually started it last year, and but trust me, I think it got a lot easier, given the fact that there were so many people who helped out. Okay, the student body, guys outside, who were the owners, the icon players, everyone who actually came and pitched in, because it wasn't really easy in terms of getting funds, in terms of getting the idea, in terms of getting fixtures, in terms of getting grounds. We had issues with grounds. Okay, so that's the most basic thing. But apart from that, I should say that that it brought people together, and it's something we connect with one year down the line. I'm sure we're here purely because of soccer and because of NMSL.
Football.
And football. Oh no, and soccer.
So NMSL 1.0. First question: whose idea was it to include bags in NMSL?
See, I think
So I think
have to answer.
no. I'll answer that question. So anything in college in first year where there were girls involved has to be Praveen's idea. Praveen actually.
I would beg to differ. What's happened in NMSL 1.0 is we got really lucky.
We got lucky.
With the
That most
bags.
of the people who were involved had a large
Had a bag.
female following.
Praveen
Like Arush,
Yeah.
like Arush, Ishan, Bhaskar,
Yeah.
Melvin, Veda,
Hey.
and yeah, you could-
Veda had a-
So Veda at a point of time used to be
Bandi.
HR ka media and all that.
And Veda used to make sure the entire HR class used to
Yeah.
come and support us. So we just got lucky there too. But I'm sure this year is going to get even bigger. That's why we're coming to watch the games.
मैं बताता हूँ.
Getting bigger what?
As in,
Okay, so one memorable moment each from each one of you about NMSL 1.0.
So I have two actually. One is that
Hug situation. Hug.
beats everything.
that has to have a high five.
And the other one is actually, I think we were playing against, which was the team which finished 5th. The only team which didn't qualify as a knockout.
Become gangster or
Yeah,
something like
gangsters.
that.
So, oh sorry.
Never won a game.
So I think that day when we were playing against gangsters, so me and Shampi were in Mahalakshmi, we were watching Swedish House Mafia. And I think gangsters scored against us. And then Shampi came and like, you're out, you're done and dusted. I was like, okay.
Nutmeg pending.
Like 10 minutes later, I think Rawat called me or somebody called me 2-2 penalties, and then like, oh, penalties take him to jeet. I think that had to be one. But yeah, Bopi's thing is like, I don't think so you should even continue with this question. It beats everything.
Could you please walk us through the first incident?
Bopi's
Bobby's incident, yeah, how it happened, how it actually turned out.
I don't remember which. Was it the final match?
Yeah.
Okay, so we won it, and I mean, me and Asta were there. We had nothing to do, so we were just waiting to win and hug and all. Bopi was there. I think Bopi was actually Pyar Ka Bhuka type. So
In first year, of course.
first year now he's like 3.67 job.
9-8, 9-8, bro.
The other part.
Okay, so I think he was trying to come in forming a carton and stuff, but I think by then we already got into that embrace and
A hug carton.
hug carton, and Bopi was left behind.
Okay, so with me it would be more about the game only. Sadly. So we had a third place match against Dream Kickers, and so they were only 4 or 5 players and we had a full team. So I was with the idea, okay, let's start with full team, we need to win this and probably we need to win it with style. But I didn't expect this from my other teammates, even from my owners, but they said, okay, no, let's go with only 4 or 5 players, whatever the team is, let's match them and let's give them an equal chance. Though we won it, बहुत ही difficult हाल में, but yeah, I think that was a memorable moment. The other was, there was a fight between one of our teammates and Jivesh
And Palta.
Icon player.
Icon player, yes. So I'm pretty sure. So we had an FMB division. So the FNB guys,
We still do.
going to the FMB guys. So these guys were really cool. I mean, so ours was a team because they used to give us probably Red Bull and
Freebies.
they had smokes around. They had all the juices and everything. And we used to see the other guys
Very
like
healthy.
teams like Dream Kickers wherein पानी का bottle के लिए भी पैसे नहीं होते. Again, so that's a moment which we cherish, which other teams probably didn't have the opportunity.
But did you make out with any FMB check?
No, sorry.
Off the tip.
Off camera. Yeah, so in terms of the best moment, I think it was probably day one of NMSL 1.0 when
you
we
get
actually yeah, we started late and all that, and we had a lot of issues. But I think just kicking off something which is become so big right now was definitely a dream. And the second moment would be our prize distribution bit, okay, which was something which I think got a lot of people excited about the entire tournament, though it was done by them. But just getting people together, and I think we had like almost half the room filled up, okay, which is something big given the fact that not many people are interested at that time of the year. So yeah, the entire concept worked, and that was probably the biggest thing.
What is big? Big is coming in a lot.
Big
Something
is
big in
big probably is
Big data.
I don't think if you look at any of the fests,
Size.
would you get a decent amount of crowd to come. And there are lots of other connotations of big, which again is off camera again.
Okay. So talking of the players, one star player other than one part of your team that you were really excited about and you saw really good talent in them.
Before the
That's a very easy question for me. I think Alirio was a standout last year. Alirio and probably Rawat were like really good standouts, and I think any team could have had them, probably playing at any position. So yeah, this year they continue to be a part of the same team, but we've stolen half their team, so I'm sure we have a better chance.
So I think last year I didn't see Ricken playing ever. So I think when I saw him playing for the first time, I was like, whoa, he was really a good player. And I think Ricken was somebody we really wanted to have in our team. Sorry. Ricken.
Okay, so for me it was Iyer. I think we thought, okay, so this team goes down, I mean, they're not going to win anything because they don't have a keeper. But then they have someone who has never played football, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
But then he comes out with something, I mean, he pulls out some saves which are beyond our imagination.
Exactly.
So he was one player, I think, who definitely made a difference.
Bag on and off the field. Your opinion?
Next.
Pass. There were no wags actually in first year. I think this year you have a lot of people who have wags.
I think we
So like,
we saw
yeah,
ADG and some, I don't remember ADG.
And this guy again from that same team which
Guy-
made
guy.
it to the final four. What was that team's name again?
Open.
No, Gangster, sorry. So yeah, this guy sitting beside there, I think he has some really good wax connection. This year.
Barate.
He got free hugs and shampoo guy. Then we have the Uno guy. Uno guy. Then
और कोई नहीं था ना मतलब seriously now in NMSL.
no, actually in our batch, girls were not interested in football. They were just interested in good hugs.
They were interested in hugs.
Hugs were there throughout the tournament, but let's not get there, right? Might have broken.
So NMSL 2.0 starting off. Your thoughts? You've been part of the entire process since day one. NMSL 2.0. So your thoughts on what's going to go on with it?
Better refereeing for sure. Last year we had one of the most pathetic refereeing ever.
Name some. Please.
Okay, name number one, number two. Okay. So we had. So the problem. Okay, so there are two major things. So there are a lot of good teams. I saw Gangsters, the team which
Yeah, they lost everything, right?
So they lost him. So they were definitely one of the best teams on paper. So given 15 minutes of time, the time duration is very short. So probably if you have around half an hour for an half time, I mean for an hour, I think that would definitely be a good match. And secondly, obviously the good refereeing. If you have better referees, if you actually know what offside means, and if you can probably pull out yellow cards if you see there's a
You have
foul.
some names, please.
No,
More coffee?
No coffee.
Do you want more coffee?
So yeah,
Chai.
I think in terms of that.
But I don't think the Gangster will be able to play for 30 minutes. A lot of them
Yeah.
are using their energy at a few
Exactly.
places.
Nowadays they're like really poor on stamina. That's what I've heard. But yeah, what?
I don't think that they. Oh, sorry.
Okay, just not about Gangsters, but again, yeah. In terms of sponsorships, I expect the seniors, I mean, apart from us, apart from the football people, so a lot of others should rope in more money. I mean, probably not only sponsor, but even come throughout during the matches and support the teams. So crowd is also expected. I don't see a lot of people coming for the matches. So if that happens, then I would see NMSL 2 as being bigger and better.
I think Veda's covered all this
All the
stuff.
points.
I think
Five
given the
marks.
fact that given the fact that it was probably the first addition, and people didn't know how good it could get. Okay, so I think this year I'm presuming that you guys are going to get more support, more money. I think there's more money already, and more people, interesting people to watch you guys play and who we can also watch. Right?
Watch.
I think they're pretty interesting owners this time.
Yeah, that's what I heard. That's another pull up.
So talking of the teams, who do you think is most likely to be the top team and the bottom teams this year round?
So I think we'll defend our title pretty easily. There's no question about it. But the only thing which is to be seen is whether gangsters would be able to make it in the final four. And I would really like them to win a match for us. This is something everybody is looking for.
I think last year every team had won a game, so I felt really bad. At the end of the season, when probably the best team on paper couldn't get a point. So first thing is obviously team kickers. That's where the heart is. But we're really hoping that this year it's more even. At least with that number 5 slot shouldn't be like you don't want a team pivoted there. So let's see, let's hope for the best.
Veda, you have happy memories connected to your ex-team. So how is the change to the new Crushers side?
Okay, so I would say Shooters are the team to beat this time. I think they're the best team around. And obviously, Crushers are invincible, so that goes without saying. But the transition has been good. So Arush had approached me, even Tavishi and Rudraksh. They were they wanted me to be a part of this. They were pretty and they wanted me to be a part of this.
Sahil is your
Yes.
Rawat is your
But again, I see all the teams being very balanced this time. And going definitely by the names of players, there are certain players I would like to watch. For gangsters, so there are 4 players I would definitely want to see them playing. So there's Sarmandal, there's Baru, Bharate and Dhaval. We have Alirio and Sahil along with Archis Chatterjee, I guess. So that try I want to see them playing. So these are definitely the players I'm watching for. See what happens.
Let's now move beyond NMSL and into football at NMMS. You know our performances, team NMMS performances in football competitions across B schools have not really, we've not gone past the semi-finals on a lot of occasions.
Semi-finals?
Semis?
Yeah, semis on a lot of occasions.
Okay, we used to write them as third place or second place.
Yeah.
So, what do you think the reason is for this failure in competitions?
Failure, okay. Failure is a big word. Every team across, all colleges, be it MDI or IMT or NITI, whatever it is. So every team knew we were the best.
Actually,
We were the best in terms of sledging. So
we had
we had the best sledges on ground.
Command.
but it's the sledger of the year actually, Mand.
man. And he's Gilawat.
And
Hina.
In terms of players, we definitely had a lot of players. A lot of players on the bench as well. So a good depth in terms of players. So I think all round the years we have good players on the bench, good players with bags. So yeah,
I think both the competitions I've seen, I think we've been pretty unlucky. In Mica also, I think we lost to a team which was like not even worthy to play that tournament. It was a very shitty team. We defeated IMA even with a man less. Praveen was not there.
Malice.
With a man.
Yes.
And then I think on both these tournaments, I think we were pretty unlucky. Nitty or this Mica thing also. So I think, and one more thing, I don't think so. Our best team has ever played together in any of the tournaments. Apart from SP Jain, where I think so we should have won. And I think we lost to MDA, right, or MD?
MDA.
Their team was good. I think that was the only good team I've seen in the last 2 years. But other than that, I think unless and until our entire team plays together, we have like pretty few chances now.
I think we only lack a ground and time for practice because certainly we have the players who can make a difference, but we generally usually don't practice much. So when we go to a competition, so the sync is missing.
In fact, the team which didn't make it to the final four, what's the name?
Gangsters.
Even they have a pretty, they have a couple of good players, and that shows that
Especially forwards. But I think it's very simple. What's happening at NM is you're benchmarking it against basketball, which shouldn't happen because you guys are pretty awesome at that. So.
Cricket also, because I think the
Cricket
only
also.
tournament like we went to the final.
Okay, we have a good number of audience here, so can we have some audience questions? And
We have some noise from you guys at least. Yeah? That's a good audience.
Can the only girl make some noise so that it looks like her diverse back?
at least someone will. So, can we have some questions? And when you're asking a question, you have your name, call out your name and then ask a question.
Okay, before that, we don't want any questions from Stoop, any technical questions.
Yeah.
We won't be able to answer them. So.
He'll ask that when did Estavirio come?
I have something about cricket league.
Yes.
Let's get to that first. Let's take one at a time. Wendy, you wish to start?
No, it's okay.
Not today.
Not today. We have this new cricket league that has come up. We got the mail last night only. So it looks like a rip-off of Soccer League. So do you think it can sustain the hype and get to that level of the Soccer League?
No.
It's fast. Let's not get there. Next
No.
question.
But who sent that mail? Was it Bopi?
Divya.
Apparently.
The organizing committee, one of the
Lalit is the brainchild.
Lalit Modi and the Kalmadi of.
No. There's the Lalit Modi, not the Kalmadi. And Diwali Kumra.
Modi.
He's Lalit Modi.
Maybe Dhoni too.
Will there be gangsters in NMCL also?
Yes.
Yeah.
Seriously, I think we need to ensure this year in NMSL gangsters, they need to win.
That's a win.
They need to win.
In fact, I
They
think
need to
they're the
win one
only
match
team.
at least.
They're the only team which has a sponsor also.
Okay, I think you're talking about cricket, right? You're talking about
Okay, yeah,
cricket.
cricket. But I think it's a farce. I don't
So
think
I
it's
think
going to work
cricket is a
anyways.
very interesting concept. It's a very interesting concept which wouldn't work at all.
Exactly. I think it's the biggest farce. It's a waste of time. You guys have 2 months in college. Either be a part of NMSL or go to Goa.
Okay, so NMSL, this time we are having only one leg as far as I know. Till now, there's only one leg. So, would you want a second leg to happen? Like home and away match kind of thing?
Exactly.
See, last year when we had the fixtures, that was the logic, right? So,
See, we just had one match. I mean, every single team played every other team
yeah.
match.
I think given the fact that we don't have too much time, that's the reason. But if you guys could start this earlier next year, I'm sure you can have that.
Well, if we don't have a home as well as away, so.
Yeah. We don't have home itself.
In fact, we can have a
So,
different.
I'm just not saying that.
I mean, there are 2 legs.
Home is
Two
But
legs.
I think two
That's,
legs would
we
make
can do
sense.
one thing. What we can do is we can have one match on the field and one match off the field.
So,
After playing which match?
What-
Battle of Bags.
We can figure
Battle
out
of the
that.
Bags.
Battle of Bags.
Battle of bags.
Fashion competition.
We can discuss that.
Mud wrestling.
Arush and Veda, how do you see Crushers versus Dream Kickers happening this year?
I need to have an opinion.
Cancel. So I think undoubtedly that's the match of the tournament.
This is the El Clasico of NMSL.
Actually, no. El Clasico has to be gangsters
Derby
playing
match,
alone.
derby match. On the road.
Give them a ball. All the players have their own ball. They score.
Okay, what do you think will go on in Dream Kickers versus Crushers?
So I think Dream Kickers versus Crushers. The only thing which I don't want to see is ADG coming like and scoring. But I think that will be a match to watch, not because of players also. I mean, not only because of players, but because of owners also. I think there will be a lot of focus in that match.
Are you getting a player then insured?
Wendy,
because
did
they
you get the
have
answer?
quite a few
I got the
rookie
answer.
defenders? Are you getting
We
a
are-
player insured because
Apparently, the
Dream
Dream Kickers have a
quite
leg breaking
defenders?
squad.
Leg breaking squad apparently.
Oh yeah, apparently they're watching.
Led by second year guy.
Okay.
Pepe.
And their jersey color is red because red is the color of blood.
Blood.
So I think Galatasaray is also red. They also have a pretty good leg breaking squad, but they never made it to the big league. So I think let them be there.
Arush.
Praveen, your thoughts?
I think it's definitely going to be the match to watch out for. And
Different angle in itself.
and getting over the owners bit. That's
Yeah.
always been the case. Right?
You haven't gotten over it.
These two teams have always
Getting
had
over
good
the
owners. But on a serious note, I think ADG is going to score this time. Again.
On the pitch.
On the pitch.
And
For once. And we are going to win.
Arush, do Crushers plan to win in regulation time this time? Any match?
Now that
There was Kishan Jambu wrote a comment the other day.
Yeah, could we just have, what is that exactly?
The comment said, I think this guy called ADG was the only guy who wanted to score within regulation time for a Crushers match.
And now that ADG is gone,
ADG has been sold, matlab. Or ADG
oh
has
yeah,
gone.
ADG has been sold. Let's put it that way.
And Melvin is also
So
gone.
luckily we don't have Melvin on our team who wanted to win beyond regulation time, and we wanted to win on penalties. So yes, the team issue.
Melvin?
So we have a team in place which can win on time. I mean, probably not
On
in the
time.
fifth. I think they are good enough to win in the first half itself.
Indigo's is Fauci
And plus, I think this year we have we picked the team like that only. We wanted to be more aggressive. And that's not the reason we didn't pick ADG. We actually were looking for players. I mean, we have a few changes also. I think. I mean, I don't understand football much. I think Oliver is playing in front and all. So we
But Bipin also, I think that might be a real.
yes, I think Bipin has been the biggest loss.
Heart of the defense.
It's actually losing Puyol and all.
Your defense is like pretty shaky, I think. I think that's something.
But I think we are good. We are good.
Yeah, it's good to be underrated. I mean, if people think we have a shaky defense and we are not up to the standard, it's a good thing because on field probably we'll show them how.
But Bipin wasn't a defender last year when he was playing for you, so you haven't lost out.
He was the one who played in every position, right?
I think the only
Even this
person
year.
we'll miss this year because we almost have replaced everybody. I mean, the only person we'll miss this year is Vikram. We don't have somebody who can just jump and stop every fucking thing which is coming towards him. I think we'll miss Vikram and obviously Melvin for sure.
Maybe we won't.
Oh, we won't miss Melvin. Melvin, this was not me. This was Vikram.
So lastly,
I think Pendy has a question I want to ask.
one more.
No, you have your
Okay.
question.
Last thoughts on NMSL, one by one, each of you.
And podcast and everything.
In terms of podcast, I think it's a great way to kick off the league. Get a lot of excitement. People can connect. But yeah, so we're wishing NMSL the best of luck, and we guys will be here so to support the league.
With cash.
Off camera.
Not after yesterday.
Off camera. Veda.
Okay, so yeah, more sponsorships, more involvement of people. I would, on a personal basis, I would want alum matches to be there. I think if there's a yoga, I mean.
Joga?
I think Melvin can handle that. Yeah, Melvin can handle that bit.
Melvin?
Alum matches.
Moment-
He's February Island matches are married.
Moment he comes down to Mumbai, there'll be another. That day itself.
So there could be an all-star
All-star.
team from probably, I mean, there could be a team of 5 versus 5, whatever. I mean, purely in terms of
Will
football.
All-Stars team have somebody from that team which didn't make it to the final?
1 second. What is that team? Wait.
Gangsters.
Gangsters. No, yeah, I don't think.
And I think from next year we should have a relegation system as well.
Yeah, exactly. I think
Actually, I think that's a very good option because 35 odd people were not bid this time, so they can form a team.
Yeah.
exactly. They might perform better than Gangsters.
Yeah, they might this might perform.
I think we should start the league with giving 2 points or 3 points to gangsters.
Gangsters.
So that
Oh yeah, and what about the point system? Is there going to be change or something?
In terms of
Like, see, like Crushers win only in penalties. So, does a penalty win
no,
score less points?
I think since they've strengthened their team and every team is much stronger this year, I think we're going to maintain the same point system.
Okay.
Which is going to be, as in you're going to have a result every match. You're going to have a result every match.
Okay, fine. That's what you are expecting.
Yeah.
Baru scored a wonder goal in Arcadia. So what kind of impact do you think he'll have on this league?
Baru's lost his charm. His charm is
Baru
lying
is-
somewhere else now.
No, but Baru since Arcadia is scoring like once in 2-3 weeks, man. That's pretty crazy.
That's it.
Baru from Arcadia is scoring one
scoring
goal.
one in
I think Baru is scoring off feet. I mean,
Off-fight, I don't know.
Baru scoring away also. Away. I mean,
Away, movement away.
Beach goals.
Beach goals.
Beach
also.
goals.
Scoring on beach also.
Arush, any
Last
So,
thoughts.
NMSL, I think you guys have taken it in a good direction. The only thing which Veda also mentioned, I think we need more money. So you should approach a lot more seniors with some good ideas to give money. And one thing which I really want to say that the only reason NMSL was started was that we win more tournaments from, I mean, in other colleges and all. But what I see is NMSL actually is becoming like pretty, it's more of silos now. So you are a crusher, I'm a gangster, which should not happen.
Which is nice, but that's not the purpose, right?
Exactly.
So, it should not become like an England team. That's what
Exactly. I would really
Yeah.
not want to see that you guys playing differently in different teams and when put together you're not playing as well. So that's the thing which you should maintain. The only reason because of which NMSL was in place that we win more, which we not. So I think that's one thing you should pay more attention and focus on.
So, Praveen, Veda, and Arush, we have a very interesting exercise for you guys as you were all involved in football at NMIMS. So you know both the years team. So we would like you to come forward and draft an all-star team out of the 2 years. As Arush was saying, the all-star team didn't play in a single tournament. So we'll just continue with that, where you can put out a all-star team. So these are the complete list of names from your and the junior year. So you can just form a team of 14 players and write the numbers at their positions. You can start discussing.
PB23.
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 Striker है no. गोली तो obvious है यार. किशन जम्बो.
Yeah, Kohli, I think.
I think
Jumbo.
विक्रम अय्यर किशन
नहीं
जम्बो.
जम्बो
Okay.
See, just write the number.
नंबर
No, write the name, write the name.
Name.
Arshi?
I should never that down.
Atit ma'am.
Oh.
You can have a sub also, right?
वो तीन.
Sub would be actually we'll discuss that later. Defense में obviously Melvin has to be there.
Ricken and Melvin.
Melvin Ricken.
Melvin, Ricken, Shetty.
Shetty.
Oh, yeah, इधर भी है वैसे लोग.
Alirio and Dick.
Alirio भी वैसे तो.
Alirio तो
Mid नहीं खेलता वो.
नहीं यार, depends on our thing now. I'm sorry. ठीक है यार, I think.
I think for left back, let's keep open. Let's have one Melvin, not more.
We can't have dad and son playing in the
हाँ,
same.
same team. There have been rumors.
Pocket money नहीं मिलेगा उसको.
There have been rumors.
That he has been removed from left back position. That's why he made the rival cricket league.
So Melvin.
Left.
Ricken, Shetty, Alirio. सही है भाई. What is the difference?
Shetty still exists. Or there is.
He's not in touch with anyone. In touch with any of you guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he was in Gangster, sorry. Oh. ठीक है. Midfield. Well, now it's going to be like.
So can we select these people also?
Yeah. Their name is there.
So I think these two people will be there.
See, there's Barate, there's Kunte, there's Rawat.
No, we already have one gangster.
Gangster, almost there.
Basuri is also there. Who's Ayush?
Dude, Ayush and Basuri.
Ayush.
Who's Ayush?
Ayush.
Sood चला गया. Anshul.
Ayush is now there. Anshul.
No, that is Anshul.
No, that's Arjun Sharma.
अरे आयुष थोड़ी भी तो है.
Basuri.
Basuri है ना.
बस बसूनी already.
ठीक है.
Anshul so.
So.
बहुत मुश्किल है यार.
I think Bharati.
I think mid में Veda would be there for sure.
वेदा वेट कर रहा था मेरा नाम कौन बोलेगा.
नहीं, मैं यहाँ पे लिख ही रहा था.
Veda, Rawat.
I think Bharati, Rawat and Maan should be in midfield.
So more
Parveen.
नहीं, and
Parveen is in
Veda, and Veda.
Parveen,
No, and Veda.
Parveen.
Raji, Samir
Parveen,
also.
you want to what? You want to be
Bhavin Babe will be
Parveen.
forward. Babe will be
Off the
forward.
field. ठीक है. So Samir.
नहीं?
Samir नहीं है.
नहीं सभी
है ना.
समीर है ना.
12.
Oh, it's getting difficult now actually.
You want it all star?
नहीं, no, we don't want any.
Can we have 7 subs?
like we do when we go outside.
I'm thinking Angad is the only man who can play with.
You also forward.
Even I can.
So sorry, but I'm cutting Rani and we don't need him. We don't need Kerala.
Is that a white marker?
Can you cut the names again?
No, we can't cut these names. I think. No, we can't.
No, I think
do
we.
this.
I'm not. We can't.
So start off with the
ठीक है, so we'll
with
start
those
off-
who must be there.
I think Veda has to be there. Rawat has to be there.
Veda, Rawat.
Mand has to be there.
Mand and Barate.
You can start
Good,
right.
Kunte.
Kunte left now.
Kunte is not
But
regular.
Kunte doesn't
Kunte
play.
doesn't
We don't take him. He's been like this.
I think you guys can start writing at least one name.
It's like
One or two names you can start
Kutte.
writing.
So it's Kutte.
So it's gonna be Mand.
Maan based on the left.
ठीक है भाई. फिर और कौन है?
Barate.
Bharati.
Barate, shampoo girl. Sorry.
Which shampoo was that?
Barate.
Chick shampoo.
Rawat.
Veda. Rawat. Actually, Rawat is very good.
Maan.
Mand.
वेदा.
Veda. ये तो बहुत सही है.
Fuck.
Now
Imagine if we have this team. This is what NMSL should do.
Baru again is feeling like the same old Baru. Like
I think Baru is feeling like
नहीं, I'm looking at the two gangsters who are already on the team, bitches.
that is just for time being. Yeah. So then
Kunte.
Who's
you
forward?
have
I think Call and Praveen.
Call.
should be-
Yeah, I
I mean,
think
even
it's-
I think Abrol is doing very well. I think. I heard about Abrol.
No, goalkeeper we already have. I think Bro, this guy. Call is guaranteed. Call in Basudi.
What about ADG, who scored the majority of the goal for Crushers?
No Palta, he
All
didn't
the
come.
goals.
I think it's this guy.
Basudi.
Are we done?
Then we have
We'll have.
ये क्या है?
आरुष and subs.
फॉरवर्ड से आगे कौन खेल रहा है?
The three.
अरे we still have one more.
Name 3 bags over here.
we have 3 players.
हो गया हो गया.
4 for 2.
You have 3 players.
Now is the most important part, now the subs.
I think Nitish, Palta, and
Nitish.
Basudi.
Nitesh Patel rule.
Nitesh Patel.
Nitesh Patel.
Nitesh.
Nitesh.
Nitesh bhai. Nitesh bhai.
Nitish,
फॉर्मेशन खेल के इंग्लैंड आता है.
Sameer.
Sameer.
Samir is also missing.
Nitish, Sameer.
Abroad. Scores 10 goals in each catch.
Nitish, Sameer,
Palta.
Palta, Basudi.
4 हो गए.
So from these 4 we need 3 and the manager has to decide. The owner and the manager.
4C1.
Nitish. We have Basudi. Or Sameer.
Rest everybody, thank you for coming.
I think there's 2 more changes that can be made.
Chutia.
I think with Gangster
I think
And gangster.
and Gangster.
maybe we can have Gelawat in place of Shetty.
So what will you
There's a
do?
new question of a Sledger.
Sledger for sure is Gelawat assisted by Mart.
And Bopan.
No, you need to select.
Bopan is for getting bashed.
Boban sledges himself.
And I think Bopan
Does the impossible.
और मैनेजर भी सेलेक्ट करना है आरुष.
Oh, manager भी करना है.
owner and manager.
PV20.
I'll take Stup as a manager.
Actually, say Stup and Pendy.
Isn't Stoop the player?
Stup the player.
Stup is
Astu Bilero Karbo. He died yesterday.
Namaste wala
But we
smile.
missed out one very important this one. PV23.
So what do you strike?
PV23 is too big for this team.
To strike. Veda. He's a striker, so strike him out.
I think cricket league शुरू हो रहा है.
Okay, a final thank you guys for coming here. Palta was also coming, but he had some work at the end, and
As always.
we hope to do more things like these ahead with other people as well. So thank you guys, thank you again.
Thank you.